Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to take you on a brief tour here of the 2023 Arctic Wolf 327 MB. This is a fifth wheel that weighs under 9,500 pounds, so more suitable for like your 2,500s and trucks of that nature. But it's got a really unique setup to it. It has a mid-bunk room that is kind of tight and compact with 3 separate layers of bunks. So you can sleep a lot of people, but you still have a lot of room for, kind of the rainy day and hang out. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Help me hit my goal of 30,000 subscribers here in 2023. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, all that good stuff will be down in the description of this video. But let's go ahead and jump right on into the inside. Again, it's the 2023 Arctic Wolf 327 MB. This is going to be kind of a mid-grade fifth wheel. It's got some of the higher end construction finishes, but it doesn't have, all the bells and whistles. It's a really nice kind of segment piece where quality meets pricing. And for pricing, make sure to text me, reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to help you. But right over here, you're going to have dual opposing slides. So kind of your seating slide. And then this is going to be your entertainment and your cooking slide. You also see that you got an island above each one of the slides too. There is going to be some accent lighting, which I'll show you here in a little bit. It's a nice blue kind of ambient glow to come out and get a midnight snack. But I figured I'll go ahead and start over here on this slide like I typically do. For reference, I'm 6 feet tall. You're going to see that the slide's probably sitting somewhere around 6'3", 6'4", somewhere around there. But one thing that Arctic Wolf does a great job on is they really utilize their space for enjoying the exterior. They switched this year to the mirrored reflective finish windows, which I like them more than the tinted. I'll show you a little bit what that looks like here when we do the outside portion. But it still tints the windows. It has UV protection for the couches, but look how massive these windows are across the entire camper. All of them open up for a nice cross breeze, aside from the ones that are going to be on the sides. But your main windows do open up. They're also going to have, and I'll go kind of slow here at a recommendation of Linda. So you have your zebra shades. So you can go, black them out. Go full Dracula mode, block out all the sun, stop your skin from sizzling. Partial kind of daytime. I want a little bit of sun, but not all of it. And then, of course, you can have the window completely up. Couple little clicker lights with the bubble fixture. I'm a big fan of that. Freestanding table and chair with four seats. Sit down, play some cards, have some dinner, have yourself a good old time. I like the placement of the recliners here. This is going to be your theater seating directly across from the TV, which this does come with a 39-inch TV, by the way. Just haven't set that up. But I also enjoy this brand of couch. You have your heating, lighting, and massage. Very comfortable. I've taken many naps in seats just like that. 2 USB ports, 2 cup holders, and a place to store some controllers. You swing around on the back half of the RV. Geez, Pete's having a hard time talking today. And you got a little fan to help circulate some of the air. Again, all those windows, a little bit of overhead storage, couple clicker lights, USB and outlet. And then on both sides, you do get some storage, countertop space, and 2 cubbies there, which is pretty cool. This is also going to be a pull-out sofa that'll come and butt up almost against the island here to make, kind of like queen-size bed, that full-size bed. So that's nice for the additional sleeping. So again, like I was telling you, dual opposing slides. That's what gives you all that open, walk-around room in this floor plan here. You have your electric fireplace, puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat. So on a day where it's 45 degrees, that'll heat up the entirety of this room. Absolutely no problem. They switched in 23 also to this Bluetooth setup. So you're going to have a couple speakers here in the camper. Most notably here in this room, you'll see there's one up in the top corner and then one up here. But they're all going to be Bluetooth now, so you can control it from your phone. They're kind of getting with the times. That's nice. Just scan that QR code, hit that little Bluetooth button, and pair it right up. You're playing Spotify or, Apple TV or Apple whatever the heck you got. Cable and satellite hookup, another set of outlets. We keep moving down the slide. You get a lot of countertop space here in this small kind of compact area, which is nice. With the island being elongated, that really helps to work with that. 2 USBs and an outlet there. but you're also going to get a lot of storage. You got kind of this cool, you know, glass finish there. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. Happy Mother's Day. We had a great Mother's Day yesterday. We had the family over. We were playing cornhole. We grilled out probably 30 burgers, 20 hot dogs. You know, real good time celebrating. Mama was happy. Got showered with love and gifts. It's always a good time. Cool little backsplash design. I don't know. I'll show you that. I think it's pretty neat. Maybe you do too. We'll see. 3 stovetop burner here. And then you got yourself the Greystone oven. And it also has kind of one of those hot pan, you know, storage trays right there as well. The Greystone hood. So you're going to have the fan and the light with a high point microwave. Again, elongated island with plenty of room to walk around. 3 pull-out drawers over here on this side. They're all going to be this depth. They don't all have this little kind of little divider in there, but you get the idea. Good storage here underneath with access to your plumbing. And then you're going to have kind of that barn-style sink right there. The black stainless steel, big fan of that. I think aesthetically, I think it looks really nice. Just cool to see the black instead of that stainless steel, you know, undermounted bowl. You're also going to have your faucet hitting those dishes from all angles. Another thing that I enjoy that they are changing to, like most of the RV industry, is you got your 12-volt refrigerator. And it's a pretty good size one too. It's going to be the 10 cubic foot residential style. Definitely pack rat a week's worth of, or at least a long weekend's full of brewskis and foods and all sorts of good stuff for your camping. Little pantry. I'm going to show you pretty much that drawer right there. The rest of them, you know, are going to be, you know, all the same, going all the way down to the floor there. Little blank wall right here with some octopus holders waiting for you to put a jacket on them. Hello. And then show you another little view here. And then I'll turn on the accent lighting and come back and show it to you again. But this is, again, it's a 327 MB, so the mid-bunk. And I thought this was pretty neat. You know, it doesn't take up a lot of space, but you get a lot of sleeping. Each bunk itself gets a window, and they're all going to be the emergency exits, well, at least on the bottom two. So maybe put the least favorite kid up top. You also got plenty of lights that I didn't turn on. But another thing that I like is you'll see outlet USB, outlet USB, outlet USB. So even though they're crammed in here, you won't have to hear them screaming, you know, begging and fighting for the controllers, the remotes, the chargers, you know, all that good stuff. Place where you can plug in a TV, so that's always nice. Each bunk has a 300-pound bed capacity. Let's go ahead and go up the stairs here. You're going to have your fuse box, so if something isn't working, check right there. Wave your hand there, it all lights up. It's going to be your lighting controls. So water heater, water pump, Bluetooth connection so you can control from your phone. And this is the lighting that I was talking about. Looks pretty neat. You got your accent lighting there in the island, you know, and up top. Excuse me. One control hotspot for your Wi-Fi as well. You just got to call up like AT&T or Verizon, get some 4G LTE, voltage reader, Furrion hot water heater. Love seeing that. It's a much upgraded water heater compared to the previous version, you know, the 6-gallon gas and electric. Porcelain foot flush throne. You got a decent sized shower there, and I'll hop on in here so that way you can check out the size. 6 foot, 290 pounds, a good looking bowler man. You can see I'm a little bit of a roundy here, so you can fit in there just fine. Show off the old bowling gun, baby. Let's go. Got bowling in 2 days. Can't wait for it. Craving it this week, man. I think the whole squad's back together, which has been nice. Had a couple buddies with some family issues going on, so it's going to be nice to just kind of de-stress, have a couple brewskis, and enjoy some bro time. And then to the bedroom. So, outlet and USB. Pull-out drawer, queen bed with storage there underneath. And then you also get, you know, whatever you want to call that thing, just some extra storage. And then over here, Another emergency exit, so pull, push, and pop, you're good to go. Right in here, you got a big old closet for some hanging items. And obviously a place where you can plug in your TV and the appropriate plugins there up above. Dual ACs on this unit. This one's got the old dump valve on it, so you can open that up, disproportionately let the cool air blow right into here, or you can close it and let it run evenly, you know, throughout the track. Yeah, pretty good little bedroom, but I like how they specialize mainly in kind of the hangout areas. But if you made it this far, hit that like and subscribe button for me. And if you like my style, again, my contact information is down in the description. Now I'm going to go around the outside, show you where everything is. But again, it's the 2023 Arctic Wolf 327 MB. The old mid-bunkski. Specifications down in the description. You know, things like awning size. Excuse me. Propane behind this door. You're also going to see it's got the electric auto leveling, not the hydraulic, the electric. That's going to be where I was talking about kind of that mid-ground point. You don't need to pay for the hydraulic. That electric will do just fine for you. Aluminum construction, no exposed wood as well, so it's all wrapped. A little leash latch right there for your furry friend. Little outside cooking area. So you got a sink that is plumbed in. And then, let's see here. I don't know where they put it, where the LP connect is, but shouldn't be too far away. Outside little apple juice cooler. Fit yourself a 24 pack in there, absolutely no problem. Step above stairs that flip up into the door. And you can see with those little metal inserts right there, all the slides on this RV are going to be prepped for a slide topper, which is essentially a piece of awning that goes from here to here. So that way, you know, protects you from debris, from falling in there and, you know, maybe cramming itself and finding a way to make it leak. There's the two outside speakers. Again, the LED lights that are underneath the awning. Oh, no. It's looking pretty tight. It's okay. We can Jenga it through. There's the LP Quick Connect. It's back here. So you set your grill up a little bit away from the outside refrigerator, but that's okay. Little travel rack. You know, you can convert to like a bike rack or put some totes on there or something. But this gives you a really good opportunity to see what I was talking about, that mirrored reflective finish. I mean, it literally just looks like a mirror. You can't really see in. You can see the lights a little bit, but it works like sunglasses. So it really prevents some of the stuff on the inside from kind of bleaching out from the sun. It also comes standard with the rear observation camera. Fully walkable roof with the Lippert on-the-go ladder prep. So 285, the ladder hooks up on there, and it's going to be telescoping. So that way you can get on top of your camper, check your seals, check your slides, you're good to go. Here's your 50 amp plug-in. Heated and enclosed underbelly, so it gets you in there a little bit deeper. That's what the Arctic Wolf really does. I mean, you know, it does a really good job of added insulation. Snuck in a little extra storage here too as well. Back end of that Furrion hot water heater is going to be located right there. And then here are going to be all your different sewer connection drains. So, you know, your freshwater, sewer water. You also got your black tank flush and your freshwater connection. You're not familiar with the black tank flush. It's a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. Help knock off all that TP and some of the, some of the gross stuff. Outside shower. I also even enjoy how they put the little metal latches right there instead of the cheap kind of plastic ones. It's all magnetic. Back end of that hot water heater, and right here is going to be the control for that electric leveling. The other side for the other propane bottle, 20-pound tanks, by the way. And then, yeah, I think that about wraps it up. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hope you guys stick around here for next time. My name is Hunter. This was the 2023 Arctic Wolf 327 MB. Have a great night. See ya.